Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back. Welcome back to the video and welcome back to my channel, Login Tech Info. Thank you so much for coming back to the new video. Okay, so I'm new day, a new morning, and a new concept. Guys, in this video, am I talking about something new, especially for the AI lovers and I would like to suggest you something to stay in my video at to end. Okay, so most of my videos will be dependent on the AI, and if you want that I make a specially topic, so you can just leave the comments, and I'm gonna check out your comments. And if I think this topic is most of the people are asking me about, so then I will make the video of it. So making sure, guys, so firstly, what is the topic, or which topic we are going to discover in this video? Each and everything I'm going to explain you, but just wait, because I want to tell you a lot of things that is important before beginning the video. Because most of my viewers are watching my videos. Okay, thank you so much, that's your pleasure, that's my pleasure. But the main thing is that when I upload a new video, like you are watching this video perfectly, and within a week or within some days I'm going to upload a new video. Okay, but you are facing a issue that you are not finding my video. Why? Because one thing, you don't subscribe Login Tag Info. Firstly, guys, you need to subscribe my channel, otherwise you will not be able to, we can say, get the notifications. Are you got it? Perfect. So must subscribe Login Tech Info. And if you subscribe, if you already subscribed, so what is the issue? Because you just subscribe, but you don't click on the all notification. Just go and check out, stop this video here and check out first. If I click on the, am I click on the all notification or not? If you are not, then make sure to click on the all notification, right? Then you are going to okay, then you will know that the things, what is actually happening. And make sure to subscribe. And next thing is that I want to discuss with you guys. You are watching my video, but you are not hitting the like button. Why? Is that something like a problem, or is there something rude to me, or like what? Why you are not subscribing, and why you are not subscribing my channel, and why you're not liking my video? Is there any specific issue? So you can please tell me in the video, in the comment section. I'm here to make a video for you. I'm here to create a content for you. So why you are not giving me response how I want actually? And all the things are happening good, but why you are not sharing the video with those who relate with this content? Like if I talk about AI, so most of your homies, most of your friends will talk also about the AI, and they also get want knowledge. So why you are not giving them knowledge? So why, guys? Make sure to subscribe and like this video and share this video with those we need. Okay, and if you have any problem, if you have any problem in the watching video, or anything you are not getting understand, so why you are not commenting me? Just comment and leave the comment with the problem, and as soon as possible I will tell you. Perfect. So let's begin the video. My video's topic is very simple, and it's talking about AI can't replace this. the human side of product marketing. So, in this video, basically, I will talking about like something AI can't do, something AI can't do, then human doing this well. Like what? The topic is I'm gonna tell you again, guys. AI can't replace this. AI cannot replace this. But what AI cannot replace this? The human side of product marketing. The human, how the human being, how we can do product marketing, AI can't. Let's break down what is it, which is in this topic, and is that really good for us, or why AI cannot replace this? Because AI getting a power in all the most of the categories. So why AI cannot do this? The only human can. Let's break it down. Start the video. Let's talking about what is wrong, what is right. Okay, and start the video. There is no denying it. AI is transforming product marketing from automating content creation to competitive research and analysis. So the latest tools are accelerating workflows and freeing up hours and resources every week, right? But amid all talk of automation, one critical truth gets lost. What? What is get lost? Okay. How many things? Okay, here. So some parts of product marketing can't be replaced by AI. In fact, the most valuable parts of the role, those that drive big impacts, are deeply human. So they require empathy, creativity, and emotional intelligence. They are talking about they are like about relationships or not just results. Let's explore what those ir- replaceable responsibilities are, and why your product marketing team still deserves a seat at the strategy table. So number one is that there is almost 5 points, okay, and we have to cover these 5 points. And these all 5 points are really short, but I would like to try to give you the knowledge basically. Basically, what do we get in this point over here? You know, basically some parts of product marketing AI cannot replace. Basically, the main impact is deeply connected with the human beings, like empathy, creativity, emotional intelligence. There is no emotion in the AI. And they all are about relationships, not result. We need to build our relationship with the marketing plan. So remember, whatever you are starting, you need a solid plan, not a liquid type. You need a solid plan. What should be work for you? Okay. Okay. So what are the responsibilities and what are the important things which cannot do AI? So number one is building real relationships with sales. As I mentioned, your relationship is important to get a good sale. We wrote a full guide with PMM consultant Yilin Pai on this topic alone, and check out the guide to enhancing the PMM and sales relationship. But it bears repeating, AI can't build trust. So the main point you need to notice and write down, AI can't build trust. Also me, I'm getting a question in my mind. How is it possible? Like, why AI cannot build a trust? It is getting, we can say, getting all the power, okay, about anything. So why AI cannot do the things what should we need it right now? Because guys, most of the things in the world is looking like another, and in reality another. So don't need to be worried about it. So product marketers embed themselves into the sales organization, like joining calls, collecting feedback, enabling new hires, and acting as a strategic partner to revenue leaders. Um, okay. And trust is built through consistency. This is the answer. I can't build trust. Trust is built by consistency, understanding, and shared wins. That's not something a chatbot can easily replicate. So consistency or understanding is important part. Wherever you go, and in any field or any work you start alone or with your team, need a consistency. Yeah, need a proper consistency. Without consistency, guys, the things will not work for you. Okay. So point number two is navigating the political landscape. Product marketing sits at the crossroads of product sales, customer success, enablement, and executive leadership. So every day, a PMMS balance input and prioritize from all corners of the organization, and getting alignment is often more political than technical. So AI can summarize feedback or suggest next step, but it can't read the room. It can't sense hesitation from a VP in a meeting or broker a compromise between GTM and product. That requires diplomacy and influence, not just output. Because AI doesn't have emotions. Yeah, why you are not getting the point, guys? Okay, number three is crafting messaging that actually resonates. AI can generate messaging. You can ask it to write positioning statements, email sequences, or landing pages, and it will do a decent job. But great messaging doesn't start with the writing, and it starts with listening. PMMS decode the emotional and rational drivers behind buyer behavior, or the sense when a message feels off and they hear what's not being said in a win-loss interview. AI can copy product marketers create meaning. This is the main slogan we can say, or the point to be noted. So the point number four, evangelizing the product vision internally. So when a major launch is on the horizon, product marketers become the hype team, and the lead SKOs create excitement around differentiators and unify teams under a clear narrative. And evangelism isn't just about enablement, and it's about energy. The best PMS lead with conviction and storytelling. So they inspire belief in what the company is building and why it matters. And the number five, the last point is about adapting in the moment. So AI is good at flowing instruction, but in fast-moving markets, product marketers need to break the playbook. And when messaging isn't landing, and when a competitor throws a curvable mid-quarter, when sales starts losing to a new objection. So PMS are the ones who adapt in real time and they correct the coach, the shape, new content, and repeat. So what this means for product marketing? So while the rise of AI is changing the way we work, it doesn't eliminate the need for product marketers. It elevates them. So now that AI can jump in the handle certain tasks, PMs are freed up to focus on the things only they can do. Aligning teams, building trust, interrupting anons, and leading GTM strategy from the front. So guys, this was the topic what we discussed in the video. I hope you got the points. If you have any question, you can leave me comment. Have a great day. Subscribe, log in, like, and follow. Take yourself. Bye bye.